Hello sparklers, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new, thanks for tuning in. Now today's DIY blog video for my home decor lovers is 3 easy glitter wall decor ideas that you must try. So stay tuned, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright sparklers, let's get this video started. I'm starting with, I have 3 plaques. We're using mirror mosaic tile, glitter from Hobby Lobby, Crate and Barrel white acrylic paint, my paintbrush. You guys, I'm going to list the items down in my description, but I'm going to paint out all of my wood on my picture, you guys, and I'm also going to paint the black in the facing of this wall plaque. You guys, now I did purchase these 3 wall plaques from Dollar General, and they were $10, but I actually got them on sale, you guys, for $4 a piece. But we're gonna just paint this out, and you guys, make sure you do follow me along. And once again, this video today is 3 simple and easy, you guys, glitter wall decor ideas. And I promise you guys, this is so easy that each and every one of you must give this a try. And if this is your first time tuning in to Glam Queen of DIY, here on the Glam Queen of DIY, you will be getting lots of glam DIY home decor ideas. We do bases, wall art, a little bit of home renovations, but you get all types of DIYs here, just with the glam flair. So you guys, if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you do become part of the family, and also please share the channel with your family and friends. We're on this road to 50K, and you guys, I cannot do it without you. So thank each and every one of you for all of your amazing love and support. And to you guys, here in the video world, what you will not fully see is, you guys, that I did paint this, all of the wood on the frame and the facing of this wall plaque as well. But I also coated it 3 times, you guys, and I made sure I coated it kind of heavy for the final look that I am going for. So you guys, keep that in mind. I'm also dropping the links for that Crate and Barrel from Walmart as well. I'm going to also include in my description box, you guys, my affiliate links and discount codes. Please guys, make sure you do always check out my description box. I always keep some very useful information for you in that description. Now once again sparklers, in today's do-it-yourself blog video, we are creating 3 easy and simple glitter wall decor ideas. You guys, when you see the final result and how we created these pieces, I'm going to tell you, they are going to truly be a idea that you must try. So drop me a comment if this is something you would also recreate. And always guys, and I mean always, talk to me down in the comment section. I don't answer all of the comments all of the time, but I promise you we do literally read every comment that we do have coming in here on the Glam Queen of DIY. And please too, family, don't forget to check out our other channel, and that is the Glam Queen of Decor. All of the DIYs that are created here on the Glam Queen of DIY will be also featured in a home styling room tour, some type of styling, you guys, on the Glam Queen of Decor. That is our second sister channel. We're going to actually be converting that channel to become the main running channel for the Glam Queen brand. So if you're not a part of the Glam Queen of Decor, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. I did drop that channel link in the description box as well. And you guys, I did use my clear glue that I actually purchased from Michael's. I'm going to drop the link for that. I also have Mod Podge, and you guys, I have several bottles of this, large bottles of this clear glue, and I actually opted to use it in place of the Mod Podge. And I will tell you too, you guys, I got the idea of using the clear glue from one of my fellow sisters here on the platform, and that's Glam Princess DIY. Please make sure you check her out. She uses clear glue to do a lot of her projects, and it gave me an idea, which I've been doing this for a while now, but I said that clear glue is way cheaper than Mod Podge, and I wanted to see if it had the same lasting effects. And I will tell you, it is still a little different than Mod Podge, but as an overall, I'm still happy with it when I do certain projects, you guys. And on my wall art, I am happy with it, because I will tell you, you have to coat it several times, and it does do better if you dry it in the heat. And as you see here, now I'm adding my glitter to the project. Now you guys, I shake heavy-handed because I like my glitter to go on thick. So just continue to follow me along. And to you guys, once I completely coated the painting, and you're gonna see just a little tad bit of it, once I completed coating the painting, I actually came back and, you know, did several checks to see where my glitter was thin, and I added in more glitter. And as you can see, I'm shaking it, and I'm actually, to you guys, I am actually taking my paintings outside and letting them dry in the sunlight today. So that's what I mean by drying them in the heat. I mean the heat of the sun. They actually dries way better, at least in my opinion, you guys. But I'm cleaning up the frame as well. We're going to let it dry. We're bringing this nearly to an end, you guys. But we're going to clean it up, let it dry some more. Then we're going to come back with the next phase of this do-it-yourself wall art. And with the final testing to make sure my painting is clear, and you guys, I have laid out construction paper so that I can shake my glitter on. And I will tell you, I do save as much as my glitter as possible. I'll just tell you, when you are, make sure you put it on some type of white typing paper or construction paper, something that the glitter do not intentionally want to just automatically adhere to and stick. And I just hold my picture in different angles to shake off as much of that excess glitter as possible. But you guys, I'm telling you, this picture is gorgeous. It has so much sparkle and shine to it that I am loving it. Now here I'm getting ready to add in my glitter as a top coat, and as you see, I pour it on. And you guys, I actually do everything in sections, and you do have to be very careful using this clear glitter, because if you rub too hard, because I did a couple times, you can pull away the glitter, and you'll have to redo that spot. So when you're adding or using this type of glitter, just be very careful. Don't brush as hard as you would even if you're using your Mod Podge. But I'm going to just do this until I complete the whole covering, and we're going to put this back out in the sun and let it dry some more. And to fender, we're still sealing the glitter in. And as you can see, I'm just steady pouring. Now, I will tell you guys, I'm actually pleased with using this method. I will tell you, I have used this type of glue on probably about 9 or 10 of my wall art, and it's especially the very large gray, white crushed glass wall art that I do mainly keep featured in my kitchen. I use this. The only thing, after around a year time, you will get some flaking because this glue still doesn't lay down fully even as Mod Podge. And I will tell you, that's the reason why I tell you do it in the sun. But by having these raised edges, I was able to lay the glue down and literally put a whole layer of glue on top of this painting. And here you guys, I'm just adding a tiny bit more glue to a couple spots that I had knocked some of my glitter out that I actually refixed. So I'm just layering the glue on it, and we're going to let this last portion dry, then we'll come back. Now that our pieces are fully dry, I'm going to show you all of the pieces. And two, guys, do make sure you do subscribe to the Glam Queen of DIY and also the Glam Queen of Decor. You're going to see these style in a room tour coming very, very soon. But this is what they look like. You guys, I'm telling you, the picture of the camera does not do this any justice. I also did seal the wood trim as well with that clear paint. But you guys, these are gorgeous. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.